today we're going to talk about two storage class, that is extern and auto storage class, and we'll see how it works. In my program we have written int a. Over here we have declared, we have initialized the variable outside any function. So this will be stored in extern storage class. Its default value will be 0. When we proceed, we have another initialization of a variable int b, that is inside the inside the main function. Over here, this b is stored in auto storage class, which will have its default value as any garbage value. Now when we print this, the first a will be printed as 0, and the second b, variable b will be having some random garbage value. After this, we are assigning a number 90 into a, and then we are calling function fun. But we don't really see any function fun over here, but we have function fun declared over here, defined over here. Over here in the starting, we are including our other file jar.c, where we have our main function. After that, we have written extern int a. This means we are using that a stored in the jar.c file over here. Now we have defined the function fun, and over here when we print a, it will print the last inputted value in a. Let's see.
90.
That's 90. Okay.
Success.
So we see the first value as 0, that is the first value a. Before anything, the default value of a is 0, so that's why it's printed. The second value is of b, which will show any garbage value, and the third one shows 90 because we had assigned a as 90.